How stunning is this glam? And it came to my attention that it's been quite some time since I've done a green full glam. Oh, there is nothing as nice as green, like these tones and colours of green. Before we get into the tutorial, I just want to mention that the first portion of this video is kind of sponsored by Teddy Black. Teddy Black is a luxury handbag brand based in New York, and I have worked with them many times before. I have a beautiful handbag here I want to show you. I also wanted to mention that they have their fall sale on at the minute. Their handbags are basically luxury without the luxury price point, and of course you really want to take advantage of the sale as well. The latest bag that I was kind of gifted from Teddy Black that I selected myself the last time I worked with them is this wee handbag here. So this is the Dana, I think it's the Dana Croco 11 inch, and I got it in the black with the red interior. It comes in so many different colours, by the way, as do most of their handbags. The shades and the styles and the handbags are just absolutely stunning, and I feel like especially for this time of year, having the most beautiful green shades, browns, burgundy wine shades in handbags, they're absolutely beautiful. The reason I did go for the black colour, I feel like black in a handbag, it's just like a dress or shoes. Especially if you're going to splurge, it's just a very timeless colour that will go with absolutely everything, and I feel like with the red suede interior, it has that wee bit extra bit of luxury to the handbag as well, and of course the we turn clasp as well. I think the gold detailing with the black and red is also absolutely stunning. But this is basically like my go-to handbag, not only necessarily like a day-to-day basis, but especially on nights out, going out for dinner, a date night, going out with friends, whatever. This is the handbag that I'm going to use, because not only is it big enough to fit, you know, like my cards, my purse, my phone, a few bits and pieces to do with makeup, but it's also like a really good like everyday bag as well to kind of run errands and everything. And it also has like your wee clasp zipper as well in it. I'm sorry, I do apologise, it's full of absolute crap at the minute. It is a wee bit manky inside, but the overall quality of the outside of the handbag is still absolutely immaculate, and I love at the bottom, because it is obviously more of a luxury handbag, you really do want to look after it, and of course it does come with the wee feet at the bottom as well, so you're not kind of ruffling up any of the leather, and the leather is Italian made, by the way, so it's even the smell of these handbags whenever you get them first, and it even still has that brand new smell. I can smell it because it's so close to my face. But these are just gorgeous, gorgeous handbags in terms of the quality and style and how they look. Well, I do a wee quick what's in my handbag. I have my card, some money. I swear, see, whenever you're a smoker, you either can't find a lighter or you have multiple. Nails that I've just picked off on the way home from being out with friends or Kyle. Lip liners, lip products. These have been like my go-to recently. This wee lip oil from Merit, a P. Louise lip liner, and my NYX, this is the lip combo I was wearing at the weekend. And hair products. Necklaces. I will have all the information listed and linked down below in the description box for you. Definitely highly recommend going and taking advantage of the sale. Even just going on and having a nosy. Just go on and look, tempt yourself with the sale, because the handbags are absolutely gorgeous. The shapes, the styles, they're so classy and sophisticated, and they're just, what I love about them is the fact that they're all quite plain. And I feel like that again is just, it's timeless and it's classy, you know. Very old money style handbags, beautiful, without of course that extortionate price tag. Maybe you want to go and have a wee nosy for yourself as a wee Christmas present or for somebody else. So yeah, as I had mentioned, I will have everything listed and linked down below in the description box for you. And thank you so much again to Teddy Black for sponsoring this portion of the video. So I'm going to start off with my base. I'm just going to do primer and foundation, and then I'm going to get on to the eyes. And by the way, please excuse the severe contrast between my face and my hands. I just have a bit of instant tanner on, because I have tan on at the minute, but I just used like a wee like gradual tan and moisturizer, and it doesn't really look as if I have anything on, especially my face. This is the Iconic London Underglow Blurring Primer. Oh god, look at that colour. I've lifted a foundation shade that I thought would kind of be dark enough to kind of match this tan I'm wearing. So it's the Too Faced Born This Way, and it's in the shade Warm Beige. It is a wee bit orange, I will admit, but once we conceal and everything, it should be fine. Concealer, this is the NARS Creamy Concealer. Do you know one thing I really don't like about this concealer? And it really boggles me as to why they haven't changed it after all these years. It's the applicator. I hate this wee tiny doe foot applicator because it barely gathers up any product, or is it just me? It's something that's just always kind of pissed me off a wee bit. It's really no big deal, like, but it's just annoying. Then the Made by Mitchell curved case. I think this is the medium one. So I'm just going to take this shade here, Caramel Chisel, just to do a wee bit of cream bronzing. Did anybody get anything from his latest collection? I was really wanting to get the eyeshadow palette, you know, the wee slim eyeshadow palette, and then it sold out. So I must actually check on Beauty Bay to see if they have it still in stock, but it looks unreal. Just prepped my lids with the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I just went on ahead off camera and filmed this eye for a TikTok. So I'm just packing this shade on just on the outer corner, kind of in a half C shape. And by the way, the two eyeshadow palettes that I'm using are both from Be Perfect Cosmetics. I'm not going to show you them, you can probably guess what two eyeshadow palettes they are, but if you know, you know. I don't support Be Perfect Cosmetics anymore as a brand, unfortunately, but of course, because I've been on their PR list for quite some time and I've obviously bought products myself, they're products that I have, I'm just going to continue to use up until they're done, obviously, because I don't like to just waste product, you know. So like I said there, I'm just packing that black on, just in a literal C shape. I'm actually going to pack on a wee bit more because I noticed that I did bring the black in later on over a wee bit further, so I'll just do that now. Not taking any more product, I'm just going to go in with this wee brush here from Zoeva. It's a Luxe pencil brush. I'm just going to blend those edges. And then just introducing another shade. The shade is Ash, by the way, so that'll basically just let you know what palette I'm using, if you're really that curious. Do you know what? Nothing pleases me more than doing green eye makeup looks. Because I was going to do like a dusty green type of colour, but there's just so many different shades of beautiful green eye makeup looks that you can do. I don't know why I took a different palette, but I'm going to go into the shade Bamboo, which is in a different palette. But if you're going to want to use the same palette to recreate this eye makeup look, you can go into the shade Moss. I don't know why I made this difficult for myself. And just introducing that again, just at the outer corner. I'm going to be taking this on one of my wee 04 brushes from my collection. And then this is the Technique liquid eyeshadow. I think it's in the shade Twinkle. Yeah. This is actually a really nice liquid eyeshadow. The colour of it is absolutely stunning. It's like the most perfect grungy khaki green. Especially if it's just all over the lid, you know. But it's also just really good to act as a bit of a base. So I'm just packing that on and then just going to spread that about. And then going in with the What's Up Beauty Dragon Eye palette. And this is the perfect palette for this type of makeup look, especially with these green shades. A bit of liquid liner. Before that liquid liner dries, I'm just going to blend that. Mainly just at the outer corner. Can you even cope with how stunning this eye makeup look is? So I'm going to take the curved case again. Oh, what is this? Blush. Okay, I'm just going to put that as my bronzer there. I don't even know what shade this is I'm taking. Peach Sugar, I think it is. Oh, okay, that'll be enough. You know, I'm so glad that my weekend starts today, because it's obviously, it's Halloween tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah, so it's Halloween tomorrow, so that means that Kyle has the next 2 days off work, so I may as well take it off with him. But basically I'll still be uploading because I've been pre-filming this week, because I knew that I was going to have a couple of days off, and plus this being a sponsored video I obviously needed to like pre-record this and stuff. But at the same time, I just feel like I'm not with it this week. Especially today. I'm turning on the camera and it's just like silence. I don't know what to talk about. My mind just isn't here. It's not present with us. And I'm literally, as soon as I turn the camera on, it's just blank. And I really have not got a clue what to chit chat about, what to talk about. And do you know what it is as well? I have this fear of being boring. Why do I keep on putting my brushes away? So I'm going to take a mixture between this highlight and one of these blushes from Colourpop. Oh, that's nice. So I've started to plan my Christmas tutorials. I'm still not done with my fall and autumnal makeup tutorials, by the way. You know, we still have November. November for me is still like autumn-ish, kind of, maybe, yes. And then obviously once it hits December, it's like boom, 'tis the season to sparkle. Give me all the glitz and the glam, and that's whenever the full glam will commence. But I am planning what tutorials to do, and I'm loving it. I'm so excited. It gets me going. You see, at the minute I'm absolutely loving just like a plain under eye with just a wee bit of mascara, and then that's it. But I'm thinking, should I smoke this out? Yeah, do you know what? I will, because it's been a while since I've smoked it out. What is going on? When can I stick these? What am I doing? I swear to God, I honestly do feel like I have a wee bit of autism. I'm gonna take a wee bit of ash. This was the in-between shade that we were using between the black and the green. And I'm just gonna run a wee bit of this just along the lower lash line, just to create a wee bit of a shadow. Just a wee bit of something. So this comes to the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and also I done my lip combo on TikTok, so if you haven't followed me on TikTok, please go over there and follow me. I have been uploading more recently over there. I'll always have it linked and listed down below in the description box for you. And also, I just want to say as well that I am absolutely loving, if you've seen one of my previous videos, I'm absolutely loving still the Shea Glam hair curler. It's what I used today. My hair already had a wee bit of a pre-curl in it from yesterday, so I just kind of refreshed it, let's just say. But I have never found a hair tool to actually do this to my hair. Just I have the most unruly hair. It just never wants to sit or curl or do anything, and I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. Just like these really soft waves. Like I don't really like my hair having a lot of curl and big and bouncy and whatever, but this is perfect. And obviously we have more curl at the end. They will obviously drop, but this is the curls just kind of brushed out a wee bit and finger teased with a wee bit of oil through it. And I'm loving it. I'm so happy. I'm so chuffed with this product, and I have like a full dedicated video to this, by the way, like doing a wee review and tutorial and everything, so if you want to have a wee nosy at that, I'll link that down below for you as well. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.